YouTube Shorts, what are they and should you be making them? What is going on, everybody? If you're new around here, my name is Finn Badgley. I'm a commercial fashion and portrait photographer, and today I am talking to you about YouTube Shorts and whether or not it's worth your time or something that you might want to do. Now, if you've been following me for any length of time, you'll know that recently I started uploading a little segment I call 30-second Thursdays, where I pretty much upload these shorts and these little bite-sized segments. If you want to check those out, those will be linked up here. Now, pretty much this is something to almost kind of compete with TikTok in that short form content game. TikTok, Instagram Reels, that kind of thing. Now, the format for this is all vertical. If you've seen any, then you will know, and it is mainly to be consumed on your mobile device, just like Instagram Reels and TikTok. Now, probably the most straightforward and maybe common way that you can quickly upload these shorts is when you go to post a video from your phone. You have a shorts camera, depending on if your app is updated enough where it would have that. I know some do and some don't, so they're just rolling out this feature as it is pretty new to this space. Myself, I've been giving it a try to see what I think of it. Now, this camera on your phone is not the only way to do it. As you'll notice if you've seen any of the 30-second Thursday videos, they are very clearly not shot on a phone. They are shot using pretty much the same setup that I have going on here. And for those, pretty much what I do is I shoot everything almost as I would normally, capturing it in a vertical format. And then what I do from there is edit it like I would any other video, exporting it again as a vertical video, keeping it under 60 seconds as that is the time limit for it, so that way it is nice and bite-sized and consumable in that regard. And then from there, when you upload it, you just need to make sure to have the hashtag shorts in the title, and then this allows you the flexibility to actually upload like you would any regular video from your desktop. You just go upload video, pop that sucker in there, add everything that you regularly would, and then you are good to go. Now, because of this, you actually gain a couple benefits as to just uploading it right from your phone, and that is that it not only shows up on the shorts panel itself, but it also goes to your regular channel as well. So if you add in the cards, the annotations, and all that sort of stuff, they will pop up on your channel. Currently, they do not pop up on the shorts panel, and who knows what that will look like in the future. Again, this is a pretty new feature, and I'm kind of trying to test it out and see what I think about it. Now, if you're wondering if you should be making these shorts, personally, my opinion is that if YouTube is giving us another way to create content, especially if it's new, my thought is they might try to push that a little bit harder than some regular content. And because of that, I like to play around and try to capitalize on that opportunity early, so that way I try to maximize my benefits from it. If you have played around with making shorts on YouTube at all, feel free to let me know your thoughts down below and what you think of this medium. If you think it's here to stay, if you like it, or if you think there are some improvements that can be made, I'd love to know your thoughts down below. And again, as this is a more recent development on YouTube, we haven't been able to gain as much data in terms of how much they are pushing it, but I have heard from other creators that their shorts take off quite a bit more than their regular videos. I just wanted to jump in here. It has been some time since I initially made this video, and some interesting things have happened. So if you go over to my channel analytics and stuff like that, you'll notice that one of my shorts is actually by far my most viewed video. And I don't think this is for a mistake. These videos are shorter and just rapid fire content, so they can gain a larger watch time percentage of the entire video. 30 seconds of a 1-minute video is 50% versus 2 minutes of a 10-minute video is only about 20%. So that makes a big difference as well. The new Shorts platform, YouTube seems to be pushing it. So this is just some food for thought, especially in a real world case scenario. It may not be a ton of views, but for my channel, it is far more than anything else any of my videos have gotten. So just some food for thought there. And that could also be because most people on YouTube are just uploading regular videos, and because fewer people are uploading shorts, there's less competition there, and therefore your video has a higher chance of getting seen. That's just my hypothesis on that. There's nothing really concrete here. Now you might be thinking, okay, but YouTube has had stories for a little bit now, and while that may be true, these shorts act in a different way from stories, where they will appear in the shorts tab, but again, you can view them as regular videos on your actual channel. And because of that, whenever anybody does, chances are you can actually monetize that, especially if they are watching on your channel itself or on the regular version of YouTube versus the Shorts panel. I'm not too sure what the current monetization outlook is with the Shorts panel itself, but I'm sure there will be updates coming quite frequently. And as I keep playing around with this feature, I will be sure to update you on anything that I find, so that way we can all create the best content we can. Now, with that all said, I hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you did, I would love it for you to leave a like, as it actually does make a difference and show the YouTube gods that you like my content, and then it will show that to other people. Drop a comment if you like this kind of thing and you want to see more of it from me in the future. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos so you never miss an upload. Work hard, rest often, and as always, I will see you on the next one.